7 blood tests for women. Hemoglobin 12 to 15.5 grams per deciliter. Essential for oxygen transport. RBC count 4.2 to 5.4 million cells per microliter. Indicator of healthy red blood cells. WBC count 4,000 to 11,000 cells per microliter. Helps detect infections and immune health. Platelet count 150,000 to 450,000 cells per microliter. Crucial for proper blood clotting. Fasting blood glucose 70 to 100 milligrams per deciliter. Measures blood sugar after overnight fast. Postprandial blood glucose less than 140 milligrams per deciliter. 2 hours after eating. HbA1c below 5.7%. Reflects average blood sugar over 3 months.